Hello friends, today's video is in partnership with MyEyeDr, not my eye doctor, but MyEyeDr. um, so with the kids going back to school next month, we wanted to make sure that their eyes were checked before going to school so that they can see the board and they're not squinting or straining. Um, Evan, my oldest, already got his eyes checked a couple of months ago at my eye doctor. And just recently, this past month, we took Alex, the little one, to my eye doctor to get his eyes checked. Thankfully, he didn't need any prescription. His eyes are fine, but he did get a pair of sunglasses with just like a little smidge of prescription, which I mean, they said there's not necessary. At least he's able to wear sunglasses when he's out and about. Um, and I got my eyes checked as well. I was due for it, and I got these very fancy and super lightweight um, frames. These are like a matte tortoise shell, and I absolutely love it. This is from the Airlock. They have a new line of glasses, of frames by Airlock. These are extremely lightweight. They hardly weigh anything. So I prepared a little video for you guys for a back to school promotion. They have over 200 frames for under $200. So check out my video and I hope you love it. So Alex and I are at my eye doctor getting our eyes checked, and this is actually his first time. Are you excited? Okay. Here.